Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Stock Expert. Today we are going to discuss about a mid-cap banking stock which has a vision to build a world-class bank in India. Before diving into the video, I would like to inform you all this is not a buy or sell recommendation from our side. We just shared the research which we have done from our side. Hence, we strongly suggest you to do your own research or consult your financial advisor before taking any buy or sell decisions in stock market. Let's deep dive into the stock analysis. The stock which we are going to discuss is IDFC FIRST BANK. In the year 2018, IDFC Bank was merged with Capital First. I named the bank as IDFC FIRST BANK. At the time of merger, the bank had low CASA of 8.68%. The bank had low net interest margin at 1.9%, and their pre-provisioning operating profit was just 0.32%. Only 8.04% was retail deposits and the rest was institutional deposits and borrowings. If you look at the bank has large exposure in infrastructure and corporate loans. Now let us see how the bank was able to address all these issues and how they were able to improve their books. If you look at the time of merger, their infrastructure loan book was around 21,459 crores. And the bank has able to reduce to 2,830 crores. Also, the bank was able to grow their CASA deposits to 47.25%, which is very good. And they are able to generate a profit of 2,957 crores in financial year 24, which is a very good sign. If you look at their achievements of last 5 years since merger, the bank was able to grow their deposits by 67% CAGR in last 5 years, and the total customer deposits grew by 36% CAGR since merger. They have also resolved their legacy loans. They have diversified their loan book. They have diversified their deposit base. The bank was able to build their branch network, which currently they have 944 branches. They have launched new products. They have built ethical banking culture. If you look at the last 5-year performance since merger, they have also given the guidance for the next 5 years. If you look at their guidance for the next 5 years, they have given a guidance for expanding their branches to 1700 to 1800, which is almost double than the current branches. If you look at their customer deposit guidance, they have given a guidance of 5,85,000 crores in comparison to current deposits of 1,76,481 crores, which is almost 3 times the current deposits. CASA deposits, they have given a guidance of 2,85,000 crores, and term deposits, they have given a guidance of 3 lakh crores. On the advances side, they have given a growth guidance of 5 lakh crores by March 2029. Current loan book is 1,89,479 crores. And they have guided for the asset quality, gross non-performing assets, they have guided for 1.5%, which is very well below from the current gross non-performing asset. And the net non-performing assets, they have guided for 0.4%, which is again lower than the current non-performing assets of 0.68%. If you look at their profit guidance, they have guided for 12,000 to 13,000 crore profit by end of 2029. They have guided for return on assets from 1.9 to 2%, and also return on equity in between 70 to 18%. So all in all, their guidance looks fairly strong on the deposit side, asset side, asset quality side, also on the profitability side. If you look at the market opportunity of the total deposits as of March 2024, the bank has a small share in the overall bank deposits of the country and hence has a significant opportunity for growth. If you see the market opportunity for retail, rural and SME loans for the next 20 years, this industry can grow 15x times, which is phenomenal market opportunity. Also, if you calculate in terms of CAGR, it can be in between 13 to 16% CAGR. As of March 31, 2024, IDFC FIRST Bank's market share is 1.2% of total bank credit, which improved from 1.13% last year. The bank has developed a wide product suite of a universal bank. They are into corporate lending, they are into retail lending, they are into SME lending solutions, they are into CASA and fixed deposits, they are into supply chain financing, they are into NRA banking, they are into wealth management and distribution, they are also into credit cards, FASTag, etc. If you look at their digital initiatives, 95% of the overall transactions of the bank are in digital. If you look at their UPI transaction value, it has seen a growth of 62% compared to last financial year. If you look at their POS transactions, they have seen a growth of 44%. The bank has issued almost 17 plus millions of FASTag. If you look at their credit card spends, they have grew by 58% year on year. And also if you look at their debit card spends, they grew by 39% year on year. Take a look at their wealth management AUM. They are targeting almost 1 lakh crore in the next 10 years. If you look at their past performance, in financial year 24, the wealth management asset under management grew by 66% year on year, from 9,494 crores to 15,762 crores. If you look at the financial performance of the financial year 24, their bank loans and advances grew by 25% year on year, and customer deposits grew by 41.6% year on year. CASA ratio is 47.2% currently. If you look at the diversification, their retail deposits are almost at 78% of the total customer deposit. Take a look at their asset quality. Their GNPA was 1.88% and net non-performing assets are 0.68%. Also, their profit after tax grew by 21.3% year on year. If you look at the deposit growth, they have very strong growth in total customer deposits. In last 5 years, their core retail deposits grew by 63% CAGR, which is a phenomenal growth. Also, IDFC FIRST Bank has a highly diversified liability base with 78% retail customer deposits. If you look at the deposit book at the time of merger, it contributes 27% of the retail deposits. And currently, the retail deposit book contributes to 78% of the total deposit. The bank has diversified its loan book across more than 25 business lines. If you look on the screen, they have a business in home loan, two-wheeler loan, car loan, also rural financing loan, housing loan, consumer durable loans, gold loans, etc. IDFC FIRST Bank was able to grow their net interest income of last 5 years with a CAGR of 28%, which is a very good sign for the bank. Also, the bank was able to grow their operating profit by 40% CAGR in last 5 years, which is phenomenal. Again, if you look at their annual income statement, their net interest income grew by 30% year on year, their operating profit grew by 26% year on year, and also their profit after tax grew by 21% year on year. All the parameters are looking decent. Currently, IDFC FIRST Bank trades at 80.4 rupees with a market cap of 56,909 crores and the stock P is just 19.4. If you look at their return ratios, return on equity is 11.4% and return on capital employed is 7.79%. Also, if you look at their PEG ratio, that is PE to growth ratio, which is 0.67, which looks very attractive. Currently, the bank is sitting on all-time high revenues of 30,325 crores and also all-time high profits, which is 2,942 crores. The bank's compounded profit growth for last 5 years is 29%, and if you look at for the last 3 years, which is 85%. So the bank is growing fairly well. Take a look at the chart of IDFC FIRST Bank. Currently the stock trades at 80 rupees. It has made an all-time high of 100 rupees. So the stock trades at a discount of 25% from its all-time high of 100. All in all, the bank is growing fairly well on the deposit side, advance side as well as the profitability side. Their growth outlook for next 5 years also looks very encouraging on all the parameter side. Hence, I feel this bank can grow fairly well over the next 5 years. That's it from my side. I just shared my research report on IDFC FIRST Bank with you guys. I hope every one of you liked this video. Also, please do in-depth research before investing in any stock in stock market or consult your financial advisor. Also, for more such content, please do subscribe the video. That's it from my side. Signing off. I'll come up with another video. Thank you. Good day.